Hi, welcome back to Gooey.AI. Today we've got a very interesting tool for you called YouTube Bots. It's actually a very simple and easy way to extract all the information from YouTube videos and convert them into usable data for your LLM work or for any other requirements that you might have. Primarily, we built it for our Copilot, which is our interactive bot, and it allows us to collect all the videos and all the material that we might have for a particular subject, turn it into a Google Sheet, and use that information in our Copilot. Now, the format is super simple to use. All you need is a fresh Google Sheet which has edit access, and you need your list of YouTube videos, or if you want, you can do PDFs as well. So I'm going to give you a test of one PDF and one YouTube video, and then I will proceed to show you some other settings that are available. Now, we already have one here, but for the sake of the workshop, for the sake of the video, I'll make a new one. So this is just a new empty Google Sheet, which I'll name test for tutorial, and I will give it anyone with link and edit access. This is needed because it will update the Google Sheet as the program progresses, the workflow progresses. So I'll change this out here to our new Google Sheet that we've got, and I have this AI animation YouTube video which I want to, just this one video, I want to show you what happens when I try to convert this. So I've added the video, I've added the doc. All I need to do now is add a task to it, which means that I can say, hey, just summarize it in 5 words, or I can say, hey, I've got this YouTube video, can you give me a nice YouTube based description along with hashtags and a title? Or I can say something else, maybe related to some other task that I might be doing. And the plus is that it also allows you to do translation. So say at the end of it you want to translate it into Hindi, you have that option. So for the benefit of this video, I will translate it to Hindi here as well. And for the task, I'll just say, okay, give a simple YouTube description based on the transcription with a title and some relevant hashtags. So here again, you can use any of our models. We've updated Llama 2 and Palm 2 as well. So have a look and try that as well if you feel that that makes more sense. So I've added the details. I have selected the model for the speech recognition, and I've also said let's translate. So now we've got all our details in place, and I'm just going to hit submit now. And you'll see as soon as I've done that, it's preparing the sheet and it's saying that okay, it's updating the sheet. You'll already see that it's auto populated everything along with a transcription here. So this is the source link for your YouTube, the title that it took from the YouTube video itself, along with the description that was there in the video, and now it's going to transcribe it as it says, and it will also translate it. So here, so we did a transcription, and then it translated it for me, and now it's also done a summary. So if I open this, I can see that the summary is there. And this is such a simple tool to use. I can add in all of my YouTube playlist, and with that just one link of the playlist itself, it's going to give me the entire transcription that's available. So here, if I were to say view full playlist, and I were to pick up this link here, I could add that directly here, or I could add a list of videos that I wanted to do specifically, and I can also do it just on the same sheet. But mind you, if I do it on the same sheet, it may overwrite that information. So usually I just copy paste it somewhere else or just make a duplicate. But just for the benefit of this, I will just show you what it looks like when I add a playlist. So it's doing the same thing, it's extracting the details. And it will start uploading all of the names of the YouTube videos and subsequently do all the transcriptions based on the same settings that we gave it. So while this is happening, we'll also make a new sheet, and oops, and we will use that to transcribe Alice in Wonderland, which I found a PDF of. So this got editor access now. Done. Copy the link here. So now you can see it's updating the sheet. So it's got all the names, got all the descriptions, and now it's one by one it's going to update all of the summarizations and the transcripts as we requested. So we've got about 22 videos in this, and I think they're all now updated here as well. So we let this run, and I'm going to just duplicate this and maybe do a new run. Now here I will change out the Excel sheet to the new one that I have. So when I hit tab after changing out the link, you'll see that it updates here, and I found the PDF available here. So this is like a little secret Easter egg that we've got, that it allows you to do PDFs as well, and that too in bulk if you want. So I'll paste the PDF, oh not here, sorry, here I'll paste the PDF here. So you can see it's a PDF and it's loaded here. And now for the same thing, I don't want to change the default settings. I'll let it be as is, and I will just hit submit. So as soon as I hit submit, it will start extracting the metadata and upload it in this sheet here. So there you go. So it's identified it as a PDF, and now it's extracting the PDF and also transcribing as we go. So this is very useful specifically in Copilot scenarios where you may have content across the board in PDFs, videos, and other kind of resource material, and you can add all of them bulk into this YouTube bot transcriber, and it will pick up the data and information and post it for you. Now this particularly for our use case with our copilots is very prominent, because we like that the citations are available for anyone who's using the chatbot, which means that if we've given a help chatbot a reference that, hey, can you tell us about XYZ thing, please give a reference link to see if that particular data is legitimate. This allows us also to pick up those particular like single pages. So now not only can you summarize and give a brief description to your user via your copilot, that particular page where that information is available in detail is also citable within our copilot. So you can use this for a number of use cases, but we found that this works excellently for what we've been doing. So here you go, we're almost at the last of these YouTube video links. Sorry, this is what it was showing you earlier, and you'll see that it's populating the list. It's only like 3 videos currently, which are just one. So it took about, say, maybe like 4-5 minutes, but depending on the amount of data you have, it may change. We have tested it up to say about 200 to 300 videos in one go, and like left it for a little while to do consider when you're putting in YouTube videos to make sure that their length is not beyond, say, 30 to 40 minutes. That's the limit for Google Sheets to in terms of the word limit that's possible. So that's just one of the edge cases that we found. But otherwise, this tool is super simple to use. You just add in your details, and voila, you have a beautifully populated Google Sheet to do with whatever you feel is suitable. So let us know what you feel about the tool, and update us, talk to us. You can even join our Discord or email us at support@Gooey.AI if you have any questions, and we'd be happy to answer them. Thank you.